Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Marchant here with your outlook for October 29th, 2018. For your Monday back to work, we have a system off to our north and east that is going to be what was left over from the overnight showers that occurred across the region. Just some light showers occurred overnight, but this will be pulling away. And very early this morning, we'll have an opportunity for some scattered showers up in these areas until this pulls away. This will just be early morning. Most areas are done with it by mid-morning. And then that moves out. Might be a stray shower this afternoon also. We're going to remain mostly cloudy, or some areas further south might be partly to mostly cloudy. But either way, more clouds than sun even after this system moves away. Now let's get over to the NAM high-res future simulated radar. I'm going to start this off at 6 a.m. You can see a few scattered showers here. Just light stuff here, though, at this point. And then it's going to continue through. Here's 8 and here's 9. And then once we get to 10 and 11 o'clock, it's gone. So just over northeastern Pennsylvania, it's showing here at that point. And then we have another round that's going to come through, but this is going to just provide the chance for a stray shower later in the day. Barely anything noticeable, just a few specks here. Maybe a brief shower some places during the afternoon and maybe early evening. And then after that, once we get into the overnight, this completely goes away and we go back to partly cloudy skies overnight. So we're going to get the system out of here. This is actually the trailing energy that came in behind that coastal system when the upper level low had to move through. So this is all part of that. This is finally getting out of here. And once we get to Tuesday, we're going to have mostly sunny skies because we have high pressure moving in. Still remaining chilly, though, because the next couple of days are going to be still in that, it's in the 50s for highs. Mid-50s or thereabout for both Monday and Tuesday. I think once we get to Wednesday is when we start turning the corner a little bit because we're going to have a ridge building to our east. And here's a look at Wednesday, and you can see a high pressure off the coast now. This is the same one that was over us on Tuesday. So we'll have partly cloudy skies over our region. The cold front off to our west might be an increase in clouds late in the day, but I don't think the precipitation gets here. It should remain west of our area, and that's because this frontal boundary, as it's moving eastward, is running into this ridge that's becoming better established off the coast. So it's going to slow down this front quite a bit, but we will have winds out of the southwest ahead of this frontal boundary, just like you have in summertime when you have a high out here. It means warm temperatures and a southwesterly flow. So we're going to have temperatures for the first time in a very long time that are going to be above average. And actually, that's going to be on Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday until we get this front out of here. This is going to be, again, running into a brick wall here on Wednesday, so not expecting anything in our region on Wednesday. But once we get into Thursday, you can see this is going to try to reload and come eastward, but we are still not in the precipitation. This is later on Thursday. Winds are going to pick up out of the southwest, and we're going to have temperatures make a run at 70 degrees in many locations. Okay, so it's going to be a very warm day here. The warmest of the 2 days between Wednesday and Thursday is going to be on Thursday, it looks like. So definitely down here by the Philadelphia metro, but I do think some other urban areas will get close to, if not hitting, the 70-degree mark here on Thursday. Going forward from this point, this front will finally start to move its way eastward, and it'll bring some scattered showers to the region. This is not looking like a heavy event. This is Thursday night for the most part. It might sneak in here very late Thursday or Thursday evening and then continue in the overnight hours into Friday morning. Then I think we're going to get a little bit of a break, and there might be an area of low pressure that forms along this boundary off to our south and is going to make its way off to the north like this. And if it does so, as shown, that means later on the Friday afternoon you could have another round of showers, at least for our eastern areas. You can see that here. This is later Friday, and then that will continue up into New England after that point and shut down after Friday evening. So we'll keep an eye on that, but it doesn't look like it's going to be a big deal either way. This is a weak low moving along a low pressure, moving along a frontal boundary, and then that should be out of here. And Saturday looks like it's a partly cloudy day. We still have another trailing piece of energy trying to move through, but it doesn't have has hardly any precipitation with it. On the last couple of model cycles, we'll keep an eye on this just in case, and could just result in a little bit more in the way of cloud cover here on Saturday. But right now we're going to keep it partly cloudy for most areas, and then mostly sunny on Sunday as high pressure moves in. You can see that right here, and it settles over the region. So the weekend looks pretty good at this point. We'll just have to keep an eye on that little weak wave coming through. Looks like it's a weak mid-level trough that's going to move through and try to sneak through here on Saturday. We'll keep an eye on that just in case. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Marchant. That is your outlook for October 29th, 2018. Have a great Monday.